Sup? Man, this thing lags terribly. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Look at my mouth. And then look at that. I'm a farmerizer. That looked wrong. No, start doing it. Start talking. Sup, people? Watch this. Quit it. Put you back. Quit. Watch it again. Ah! You gotta raise up a little bit. What are we doing? I don't know what we're doing. We're just sitting here. Oh, yeah, I swear. We need an idea for something. So bored right now.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
No, don't subscribe. This is stupid. This is stupid. Hold on. Hold on. Cameron Leaf, look me up on Facebook.
Don't, he's stupid.
No, look me up on Facebook. If you're a hot chick, look me up on Facebook.
And
Swear. Please.
And me.
But hey, if you're a creeper, I mean, swear, don't look me up. If you're an old fat guy who just... Yeah,
rape
that.
little kids.
Yeah, don't look me up. I swear. Hey, stop this thing. So, yeah, just look me up on Facebook. It's my friend Wesley, stupid, so just look over him. Just look over him. I'm sexy and I know.